Hello, so welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about t-tests, some very important statistics, specifically hypothesis testing when you're doing research and you're trying to find a significant difference between a characteristic of distributions. Now, the t-test statistic is a very generic term because the actual calculation of the test statistic that gets put into the machinery requires a specific formula, and that formula is specified upon the conditions. So we're going to go over the first one, which is pooled t-test. This is a brief description. We use find the sum line. It requires a number of assumptions. So for one, it requires independence and normality for the population. And these are just two assumptions that satisfy line conditions and linear regression. Now let's go look at that link. For MSc Redwoods, it's a public site. So thank you for that. It was from like Math 15, spring 2013. Now, the author is analyzing sheep treatment, and there's a set of three nice assumptions. And specifically, the two samples are independent, and after using all this machinery in R to show a nice data visualization, there is a random variable. Now this random variable is x1 bar minus x2 bar. Now, the point of the random variable is to build a confidence interval around it, or to find a p-value around it, regarding it. And this will help you find inference upon your sample. So we have the pooled estimate of sigma, which is the population variance, and it's pooled based on the assumption that the standard deviation for both of these are equivalent. And there's more R stuff here. So this is good. What's important here is also just to state, I don't think, oh yes, so actually no, they did say it. The population standard deviations are identical. This is another main assumption. It was not from the top of the link, and something is very hard to find in a lot of resources because many people aren't sure. There's a lot of different t-test statistics. So I'm just telling you now, from my experience and from my education, that when you see equal variance, that assumption is key to saying let's use this pooled sample variance. And this SP, since it's not SP squared, is just sample pooled deviation. So I hope this video will clear some stuff up. I'm going to go over more t-test statistics and then look at deeper context. So yeah, thanks.